to my channel. Today I'm making an easy recipe called chicken roll-ups. It is perfect when you're doing your Christmas shopping. You're going to need stovetop stuffing, gravy, and chicken lunch meat. On to the recipe. This is my dish that I will be putting them into. Time to assemble them. Get out the lunch meat. If you want to use turkey, you can use turkey. I did it with turkey before. This time I'm doing it with chicken. Make sure it's not shaved. It won't work if it's shaved. And you're going to get some stuffing. And put it in the center. A little bit more. Then we're going to roll them up into nice turkey rolls. Now, I'll transfer it to my baking dish. We're not baking them, we're microwaving them. That's the reason why you have to have a microwavable one. And put them in your dish. That's how we make them. I'll keep making them. This is what it looks like when they're all transferred. I still have some stuffing left, so I'm just going to put it around the edges. Like this. Just because we don't want to waste it. Gotta make it nice and pretty. Save some for the other side. There we go. Can kind of level it out. And now I'll do the other side. The nice thing about this, it is very fast. You can have a good dinner ready in no time at all. We got to use up all the stuffing, so you just put it where it needs it. Then we get to top it with gravy. Now all we do is pour the gravy over it in the center. You can put on as much gravy as you like. Put a little bit more on that side. Then you just microwave it for a couple minutes and it's done. This is what it looks like when it's done. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.